Hey folks, wanted to take a look at the new Automate to Sequence setting in Adobe Premiere. Makes compiling something like a montage really easy, especially to music. So I've got a music track here and I'm going to add some markers. I'm going to add a marker at the start. There it is, just press the letter M. Okay, this is a shortcut for marker, M. And I'm going to just add markers on the beat of this very cheesy music. Here we go. Alright, okay. So I've got the markers here, and what I'm going to do is go to I've got a folder of clips, and I'm just going to select them in the order I want them. And I'm also going to, just on one of the clips, I want it to end with little cheers. So I'm just going to put an in point here, just so when it goes on the timeline, it'll go from the in point. Okay, so how many I've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 should do it. So let me go. So the order I select them in is the order they'll go on the timeline. So okay, so I'm going to go 1. If I hold down the command key, I can select the next clip. Let's get some nice scenic clips, a little bit of town there. Okay, how about a little bit of city there? Just some people, there we go. Okay, 9, let's have 10, 11, 12. Let's just have, let's say, there's a bit of greenery, a bit of brewing, and cheers. Okay, so I'm going to go clip, automate to sequence. I'm going to do it in the selection order, okay, and I'm going to do it at numbered markers. I'm going to ignore the audio, I only want video, okay, and I'm just going to hit OK and play that back. Okay, so there you go. That's a very simple way to populate your timeline with clips at selected markers. Okay, and it's a great feature. So thanks for watching. Cheers.